Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you how to use the COUNTIF function in LibreOffice Calc. The COUNTIF function will give you the number of cells matching certain criteria. Spoiler alert! Every formula of this video is listed on sheet 2 of the Calc spreadsheet. Look at these 5 items. You want to know how many cells contain the word cherry and only cherry. Enter this into your result cell and hit enter. The result will be 1. That means there is only one cell with the word cherry inside. Search how many cells contain something that ends in cherry. Using the asterisk as a wildcard for a complete word, here is the formula. How many cells are starting with cherry? Here is the formula. We are using the asterisk as a wildcard again. The first cell is included in the count of 3, since it begins and ends with cherry at the same time. Another formula variation returns the number of cells containing cherry at the beginning or the end of the expression. Now let us see whether there's a word with a letter count of 5 ending in H. Using a question mark as a wildcard for letters, we get this formula. To make things a little more complicated, we will use sum and COUNTIF to see how many cells contain pie or wine. Counting how many cells are empty is quite easy. See the formula here. Another formula counts the cells that are not empty. Counting cells with numbers matching certain comparison criteria can be done with this formula. The comparison can be done with an explicit number or using the content of a reference cell. Here it is D15. Last but not least, we can compare dates and count the cells that contain dates before or after a reference date. This concludes the video about the LibreOffice COUNTIF function. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have questions or suggestions for this or any of my other videos in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer all your contributions. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.